Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Danis Ibnu Kali. Can call me Danis. I was born Sidoarjo 21 March 2030. I am 12 years old. I live in Permisan. I am student elementary school Permisan. My favorite hobby is playing kites and my favorite color is blue. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye bye.